Hey there guys, Abners Reviews here, and today we are playing with the NERF Strike Elite Stockade. We are now in the month of December, so for the month of December, we are giving away this Growler Toy Gun Blaster right here, and of course still a $10 Amazon.com gift card. So to join our giveaway for December 2022, all you need to do, like, comment, and share our videos this December 2022. So we will be announcing the winner for this giveaway by the end of December 2022. So there you go guys, happy holidays, best of luck to everyone, and once again, this is Abners Reviews, and we will catch you guys on the next one. Paperworks, stock attachment, NERF AccuStrike darts, our NERF and Strike Elite Stockade. So our NERF and Strike Elite Stockade is a semi-auto blaster with a 10-dart revolving barrel, and we do not need any priming for this OG blaster right here. So this one is a bit of considered an OG classic, like the NERF Rampage right here and the NERF Retaliator. They are both part of the Strike Elite arsenal. So the Stockade right here is no different, so you can blast your way barrage style using a 10-dart revolving drum included on the blaster by simply pressing on the gun trigger all the way. So the Stockade also comes with a standard Strike Elite attachment option. So as I've shown you earlier, this measures about 34 cm in length on this form, but if you add on the stock attachment right here, it adds 25 cm more. So the stock right here also have dart slots right here where you can store some of your reserve darts. So it holds 5 on this side and another 5 on the other side. And by the way, we are playing with these NERF AccuStrike foam darts right here. We have purchased this one. So these ones are promoted to be more accurate than the regular Elite darts. So if you want to check these out, I will link this on our video description. So as mentioned, we have the stock attachment option at the back right there. We have our OG Strike Elite logo right here on this part. There's our gun grip right there, pretty standard. We have a option if you wanted to attach some straps under here, just beneath our gun grip right there. Orange trigger right here. Of course, as mentioned, we do not have a rev trigger or acceleration button. And on this part, you've noticed the Stockade branding right there, and just below that is our 10-dart revolving drum right here. It's somewhat half caged on the Stockade's blaster body right there. You have some more designs in here, a NERF branding on this part, and that is our gun barrel right here. As you can see, it's OG. It is not the same as the ones we have seen earlier on our channel. There's no option to extend this barrel using our usual attachments right there, but still it's a pretty neat looking barrel right there with cutouts outside in here for aesthetics. On the top part, we have a tactical rail in here, a single one right here, so we can add in a scope there. That is our regular sight, if you can see that one, leading to our gun barrel here. This part right here is our jam door. And on this side is our battery compartment right here with the Strike Elite logo. Just beneath that is our on and off switch right here. There. So here's what it looks like if you populate darts on the slots provided on the stack attachment right here. And of course, this Strike Elite AccuStrike darts are of the same dimensions comparing our regular Strike Elite darts. NERF N-Strike Elite AccuStrike darts loaded on our Stockade right here. So this is the stock form of our NERF Stockade. If you use the stock attachment right here, this is how you do it on the back part of our blaster. All you need to do is align this part on the stock attachment to the stock attachment option on the back. So you just need to hear the click sound to know that it is in place. And there we go. Our NERF N-Strike Elite Stockade is now longer with the stock attachment right here. So if you have older parts like we do, compatible parts for the stock like these ones, which we have used in the past, you can also use it alternatively on our Stockade. Okay, so just to show you some of our blasters which we have reviewed in the past that is most likely have similar features with our NERF Stockade right here, specifically on the revolving dart drum that we have. We have the NERF Alpha Strike Cobra right here with a 6 dart rotating drum in here. We have the NERF N-Strike Elite Disruptor right here with a 6 dart rotating drum as well right there. And our Elite 2.0 Commander right here with its 6 dart rotating drum right here as well. So those are blasters which we have reviewed in the past, which are almost somewhat in the same form factor, similar to our NERF N-Strike Elite Stockade right there. Our NERF N-Strike Elite Stockade is powered by 3 1.5 volts AA batteries. So we have loaded our darts, the AccuStrike ones right there on our rotating drum, 10 of them to be exact. We also have installed our batteries right here. So now if you pull back this toggle switch right here to turn the blaster on, this is what you'll hear. So our blaster right here is locked and loaded and we have power. From this point, all you need to do is just pull the trigger right here to launch our darts. Just a couple of pros and cons right here. If you turn the blaster on, you will always achieve the max revolution. You will always have the maximum possible power of launching your darts, because it's always on full revolution, right? The problem here is if you turn on the blaster, the motors are always on. So that is just not that economical in terms of batteries, because even when you're not firing, the motors are still spinning and you're still consuming batteries. So that is one of the cons of this NERF Stockade right here, since this is really an OG design. But for included features and attachments, we are giving the NERF Stockade right here a score of 4 out of 5. For grip and handling, it has a standard grip right here. We have no rev trigger, just our orange trigger right there and our on and off toggle switch, which is accessible by our thumb right here on the left side of our blaster. The grip is really comfortable to the hands. The concave trigger also helps right there. It somewhat rests properly on your finger. Our gun grip also is not caged by anything. And if we attach our stock attachment right here, we can somewhat also use this backside right here for extra stability as well, pushing it towards our chest or our shoulders. Even on standalone right here, just using one hand. We have batteries right here, we have darts loaded. It's not that heavy, so it's comfortable. It has a weight to it, but it is really comfortable to the grip. Not the best grip we would say, but it is indeed comfortable. So for grip and handling, we are giving the NERF Stockade right here a score of 4 out of 5. For ammo capacity, as we have shown you earlier, we have similar form factors right here. The Disruptor, the Cobra, and the Commander right here. They all have rotating drum barrels like this one for loading our ammunition. But all those three which we have shown you only have 6 dart rotating drums with them. All three of these. Our Stockade right here gives us an option to have 10 at least on our rotating barrel right here. So I would say that that is fair. It has 4 more darts over our blasters right here because we have 10. But still, in our opinion, it might have been better if we had a magazine type option for our ammunition on this gun right here, since it is semi-auto. So for that reason, we are only giving the NERF Stockade in terms of ammo capacity a score of 3 out of 5. Okay, so now we check our FPS. Okay, so as you have seen from our results right there, for FPS, we have a max of around 58 feet per second and an average of around 53. So that is close to the acceptable standard that we have on our testing, which is around 60 to 70 feet per second. So for FPS, we are giving the NERF Stockade right here score of 4 out of 5. Okay, so there you go with our firing test for our NERF N-Strike Elite Stockade right here. And as you have seen, this one, it has a power to it. And also I think in part the AccuStrike darts right here has some truth to it. It really could have added some more accuracy on our NERF Stockade right here based on our test fire session right there. So for accuracy, we are giving our NERF N-Strike Elite Stockade right here a score of 4 out of 5. Okay, so there you go guys with our quick unboxing and review of the NERF N-Strike Elite Stockade Blaster right here. So as you have seen from our review right there, it really has power and accuracy behind this OG design of a blaster right here. Although the part of the ammo and reloading the gun is the most problematic one. Stability is not, because we have stock right here, which helps greatly in stabilizing our blaster right here. The firing is also smooth because we do not have to use any rev trigger or acceleration button. We just pull on our orange trigger right there and we are good to go. But all in all, we had fun firing our NERF Stockade right here, the OG blaster that we have for our last video of 2022. If you have inquiries and comments, please put them all down below. So there you go guys. Please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified when we upload another one of our blaster reviews right here, as well as our usual video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here.
Perfect.
So that's been it. Happy holidays guys, and good luck to the next year for everybody. Happy New Year as well in advance. This is Abners Reviews, and we will catch you guys on the next one.